So now if you
It's
have,
called Freelance School BD.
yeah, it's called Freelancing School BD. Okay. So now
Okay.
if you have any question, you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
You said $100.
Yeah, yeah.
$100 one time, right?
Yeah.
One time you optimize the SEO and then we don't have to do it again.
Because ma'am, we have two packages available. First package is weekly package. And in this session, we have to work with you for your 10 videos in 7 days. 10 videos, complete SEO and promotion, organic promotion, and our weekly budget is 100 US dollar. And also we
100 a week, 100 every
yeah.
week.
100 for week, 10 videos, complete SEO optimization and including social media promotion. Okay. My friend Arafat will contact with you by using WhatsApp. Okay.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
I'm good.
Okay.
So how did you find me? How did you find my number?
Actually find you Arafat Hussain bhai. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you so much for joining with us. And how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, so let me introduce about ourselves and about our agency. Okay.
So you have how many people online?
Yeah. We have many people because we have a digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, big digital marketing agency. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So can I continue our presentation?
Yes, you can.
Okay, thank you so much. At first, thank you so much for joining with us. And I love to introduce about ourselves briefly. My name is Rifat, and my friend is Arafat Hussain and Hassan Ahmed. And we have a big digital marketing agency in Bangladesh, and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. This purpose, today's meeting topic is YouTube SEO. You have a great YouTube channel and you want to get more views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right, ma'am?
Okay. That's what I want.
Yeah. So for YouTube channel, we have three type of services. We are able to do three type of services. First one is SEO. The second method is organic promotion. SEO means search engine optimization. You know, in this session we have to research for you searchable keyword, valuable keyword, and high volume rank attack, and we have to input this type of keyword your video's title section, description section, and your video's text section. And when we complete SEO work and when a audience search on YouTube related to your video's niche, your video's category, then your video will get YouTube top search result and you will get your targeted audience. Okay, so this is SEO. And also we have another method that's called organic promotion. That's mean we promote your videos by using social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit, this type of social media. Okay, and we have another and last method that is YouTube promotion. I mean paid promotion. In this session, if you have money, then you can promote paid. But at first, we will recommend you, we will go with SEO because that's very authentic and very organic. Okay, so in this session,
I'm just doing something else. That's okay. I'll put it on.
okay,
I'll
thank you
put the
so
phone
much.
down.
Okay, ma'am, can you
Is that
allow
okay?
me? Yes. Can you allow, if you allow me, can I share my screen to show you something?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. This is our agency website, and our agency's name is Freelancing School BD. If you have time, then you can search on Google, and this name is Freelancing School BD, and it's me. Okay. If you go our client meeting section, um, then you can see our lot of meeting, our previous clients meeting. Okay, this client is UK, and this client is US, and this client is also US, and this client is US is yesterday's meeting. Okay, and then if you click on our portfolio section, then you can see our lot of previous work Okay, if you have time, then you can take a look, and my boy will send you all of the our link and our agency website link. Okay, so now if you
It's
have,
called Freelance School BD.
yeah, it's called Freelancing School BD. Okay, so now
Okay.
if you have any question, you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
Okay.
Okay. So that's it. I already told you what it.
So you have the SEO, you have the social media, and you have the advertisement. I don't have that much money to do advertisement, so I will do the SEO, which is more organic. You said I want it to be more
Yeah.
organic, more natural. So
Mhm.
that way YouTube is doing what it's supposed to do.
Yeah. So at
So
also I recommend you SEO because it's very authentic and very valuable. Okay.
yeah. You said $100.
Yeah.
$100 one time, right?
Yeah.
One time you optimize the SEO and then we don't have to do it again.
Because ma'am, we have two packages available. First package is weekly package, and in this session, we have to work with you for your 10 videos in 7 days. 10 videos, complete SEO and promotion, organic promotion, and our weekly budget is 100 US dollar. And also we have
100 a week, 100 every
yeah.
week.
100 for week for 7 videos, sorry, for 10 videos, complete SEO optimization and including social media promotion.
Okay, hold on. You're gonna do 10. I have about 20 videos. You're gonna do 10 videos. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
And then 10 videos for how much? I don't understand what you're saying.
If you have 20 videos, you have 20 videos, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And you have to a proper SEO optimization, your full video and channel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So our 20 videos budget is 200 US dollar, but my friend Arafat can make for you some discount if you
No,
work.
let's do 10 videos first. I can choose 10 videos to do. Or you choose whatever 10 videos you want to do. Let's do 10 videos first because that money is too much.
Okay. If you have work with 10 videos, then our 10 videos budget is 100 US dollar.
Every month or what?
Every month. If you continue this project every month, then all time 10 videos budget is 100 US dollar.
So you're gonna do SEO optimization for 10 videos in a month and the cost is $100.
Yeah. If you 10 videos in a month, then budget is same to same 100 US dollar. Okay.
Okay, so if I pay you $100 now, you're going to optimize 10 videos for me.
Yes. Of course, ma'am.
And that is so another month that I want to do, I can choose another 10 and then you can do it for another $100.
Yeah. Yes. Of course. Absolutely.
Okay. So put it in writing and send it to to my WhatsApp and then we can go from there.
Okay. My friend Arafat will contact with you by using WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. God bless you.
Okay. Thank you so much for
Bye.
joining with us. Bye.
Bye.